Next is question number 10, part A. First is write 180 as a product of its prime factors. 180. This will be 2 and 90, then 2 and 45, then 5 and 9, and then 3, 3. So 180 is equal to 2 square times 5 times 3 square. It's part 2. Find the lowest common multiple of 180 and 54. LCM of 180 and 54. 2 times 90 is 180. Here this will be 2 times 2 is 4 and 2 times 7 is 14. Then 3 30 the 90, 3 9s the 27, 3 10s the 30, 3 3 the 9, 2 5s the 10 and 3. So LCM is equal to, there are 2 2's, 2 square time and 3 3's and 1 5. 2 square times 3 cube times 5 is 540. Next is part B. An integer x written as a product of its prime factors is a square times 7 raised to power b plus 2. An integer y written as a product of its prime factors is a cube times 7 square. The highest common factor of x and y is 1225. The lowest common multiple of x and y is 42,875. Find the value of x and the value of y. X is equal to a square times 7 raised to power b plus 2 and y is equal to a cube times 7 square. There HCF is equal to, common factors are a square times 7 square and HCF is 1225. So 1225 over 7 square is equal to a square. From this, a will be equal to square root of 1225 over 7 square. Square root of 1225 over 7 square, which is equal to 5. Now LCM is equal to, their common factors are a square times 7 square and non-common factors, this will be 7 raised to power b, and from here this is a, and LCM is 42,875. value of a is 5. This will be 5 square times 7 square times 7 raised to power b times 5. 5 square times 7 square times 5 is 6,125 times 7 raised to power b. Now 42,875 over 6,125 equals 7 raised to power b. 42,875 over 6125 is 7. So this implies B equals 1. Now x will be equal to, A is 5 times 7 raised to power B is 1. So 1 plus 2. 5 square times 7 cube. 8575. 8575, and y is equal to 5 cube times 7 square. 5 cube times 7 square, 6125. Value of y is 6125.